In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear and start over in your tax return. If you need to completely reset your current tax return and remove everything you've entered so far, this process is designed to help you do that quickly. It's useful if you started entering information by mistake, imported incorrect details, or simply want to begin again with a clean slate for the current tax year. Before you continue, keep in mind that this action removes your saved inputs for that tax year, so you'll want to be sure you're ready to start fresh. To begin, look to the main navigation menu and click Tax Tools. This section usually contains utility features and account-related options that are separate from the standard step-by-step filing flow. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to check the side menu or lower part of the navigation area, depending on how your screen is laid out. Once you've opened Tax Tools, select Tools, and then choose Clear and start over. This option is specifically intended to wipe the information you've already entered in your return for the current tax year. When you click it, the system will typically ask you to confirm your decision before anything is permanently removed. That confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental data loss. When the confirmation message appears, click Yes to erase all saved inputs for the current tax year. After you confirm, your return will be cleared and you'll be able to restart from the beginning as though you were entering everything for the first time. Because this action affects saved information, it's a good idea to pause for a second and make sure you don't need any of the details currently in the return before confirming. After the reset is complete, you can go back through the filing process and re-enter the correct information at your own pace. If your goal is simply to fix one section, you may not need to clear the entire return, so be sure this is the option you really want before selecting Yes. That's all it takes to clear your saved tax return information and start over for the current tax year. Follow those same steps anytime you need a fresh start.